Hello Techies! Since I receive a lot of good feedbacks about this newest affordable Samsung Galaxy A03, I'm gonna show you in this video what are other things that you can actually do and enjoy with this phone. First is its aesthetic design. Dito tayo ngayon sa A03 Mall. For those who want to purchase this phone, you can check the description box and I'm gonna give you all the links in there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, Techies. See you again to my next video. Bye!